You can see your back. Now look in the mirror and you can see your back. Can you see it? Well, look on the other side. Now look, I can see it real good now. Turn around and see your back. See it? Can you see it? Turn around the other way. Now look at it. Can you see your back?
Let me see what's in there.
Wait, let me show you.
It's been zipped up.
Zipped up. It's got a zipper.
Let me see what's in there.
See, it's got a big hole back here. Look. See?
Let me see what's in there.
Just the camera.
Let me see. Let me see.
Here, see this?
What?
Should have been looking at that.
Let me see what's in the camera.
You're in the camera.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Hannah?
Your hair needs to be combed, Scott. Daddy
Let me
doesn't need to be
see.
taking your picture with your hair on.
Say goodnight.
No.
Ask Daddy if you can see it on the television.
You can see your back? If you can see your back, I'll let you see it on the television.
Yeah? Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I think you tell a story.
Can I see it?
Smart
Can
boy.
I see what's in there?
Smart boy.
Yeah?